Hello students, in our previous class we start the chapter Pythagoras theorem. So today I am discuss more example sums based on this theorem. See, a question is given. ABC is a triangle in which AB equals to AC. So ABC is a triangle where AB equals to AC. Now D is a point on BC. D is a point on BC. Prove that AB square minus AD square, which is equals to BD into DC. So that means you have to join this 2 point. Okay. For this, first we have to draw a perpendicular from A on BC, that is AN on BC. Means draw perpendicular AN on what? On BC. So it means it is a 90-degree angle. This side and both sides are 90 degree. So what we take? We take both this triangle, triangle ABN and triangle ACN. In this triangle, what is the common part? Common part is that AB equals to AC, which is given. AB equals to AC. And triangle angle ANB, which is equal to angle ANC, because both are 90 degree and AN equals to AN means common, right? So both the triangle are congruence. ABN, which is congruence triangle ACN. ABN and ACN congruence. So congruence means BN equals to NC, right? BN equals to NC. Now from this triangle, triangle ANB, angle N equals to 90 degree. Angle N equals to what? 90 degree. So you know that Pythagoras theorem is applicable in right angle triangle. If this is 90 degree, that means AB is the hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square equals to AN square plus BN square, right? But in place now, similarly I just do it here only. Similarly, triangle ACN, angle N here is also 90 degree. So hypotenuse AC square equals to AN square plus NC square, right? Now see one more thing. Don't need to do this triangle because here we have to prove that AB square minus AD square. So take this triangle. N equals angle ANB is 90 degrees. So AND is also 90 degree. So this is also right angle triangle. AND, N equals to 90 degree. So AD is also hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equals to AN square plus DN square. Now this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Subtract the equation 2 from 1. What we get? 2 from 1 means AB square minus AD square. In right side, AN square plus BN square minus AN square. Sign will be changed, minus DN square. N is cancelled. AB square minus AD square equals to BN square minus DN square, right? Now see, this is the formula we can use: A square minus B square, that is A plus B into A minus B. So we can write BN plus DN into BN minus DN, right? So BN means NC. So in play BN plus dn. Right? bn plus dn. So bn means nc. Whatever we already proved that. In place of bn we can write nc dn. And here you see that bn minus dn. bn minus dn means bd. We can write here bd. Okay. So nc plus dn. What? That means dc. That means dc into bd. dc into bd. So we already get that. Here we have to put ab square minus ad square equals to bd into dc. ab square minus ad square is equal to dc into bd. So hence proved. Okay. Now next sums. First have to rub. Now see, next question. Next question is given. Suppose, see the diagram. ADC, and here if I draw the angle, this is P. Okay. This is 90 degree. In this triangle, in this figure, it is given that AD is perpendicular on BC. If D divides BC in the ratio 1:3, then prove that 2AC square equals to 2AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now see, AD is perpendicular on BC, that means it makes 90 degree. D divides the BC into 1:3, that means BD by DC equals to 1/3, or you can write BD by DC equals to 1/3, or you can write DC equals to 3BD. Right. Now, BC equals to what? BC equals to what? BC means BD plus DC. BD plus DC. So BD plus, in place of DC we can write 3BD. So we get 4BD. Okay. Now, next, or you can write BC by BD equals to BD by BC. BC equals to 4BD, or you can write BD equals to what? BD equals to 1/4 BC. Right. Now, see the triangle, both this triangle. And first you take triangle ADC. Triangle ADC, where angle D equals to 90 degree. So AC is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Right. So now in place of DC we can write 3BD. AD square plus 3BD whole square. What we get? AD square plus 9BD square. Okay. Now similarly, the triangle ABD. ABD, where also angle D equals to 90 degree. So AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Now, you have to prove that 2AC square equals to 2AB square plus BC square. Now, what you do? You have to take AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Now, AD square means what? AD square means we can put the value of AD in this equation, so we can find the value of AD. So, AD square equals to what? Take BD in this side, so AB square minus BD square. Okay. Now, this is the equation number 2 and this one the equation number 1. Okay. Now, from this equation 1 and 2, what we get? From equation 1 and 2, what we get? We get AC square equals to AD square plus 9BD square. AC square equals to AD square plus 9BD square. But AD means AB square minus BD square. AB square minus BD square plus 9BD square. So what? AB square minus plus, so plus 48BD square. Okay. Now, BD means what? BD means 1 by 4 BC. So, AB square plus 8 in place of BD, we can write 1 by 4 BC whole square. So, AB square plus 8 into 1 by 4 means 4 4s are 16. 16 BD square, 8 2s are, so AB square plus 1 by half BD square. Now LCM 2AB square plus BD square divided by 2, and you take this 2 in this side, what we get? 2AC square. Now, hence, you can prove that 2AC square equals to 2AB square plus BC square. Sorry, here you have to write BC. Because BD means 1 by 4 BC. So, in this way, we can prove the sums based on the Pythagoras theorem. And next class we start the new chapter. Before that, you have to complete the exercise, whole questions. Whatever you have a doubt, then let me know. Thank you.